Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential equation. Here 6 power x plus 6 power 2x plus 6 power 3x is equals to 14 and our task is calculate all real values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. In left hand side we have 6 power x plus here 6 power 2x. And we can write this 2 times x as x times 2. So this is 6 power x times 2 plus 6 power 3 times x is x times 3 is equals to 14. Now here 6 power x plus, and look carefully, this term and this term. Here we will apply base and exponent rule. We know that a power m times n, this is equals to a power m bracket power n. Then this 6 is behaves like a, this x is m and this 2 is n. So we can write this term as 6 power x bracket power 2 plus, similarly we can write this term as 6 power x bracket power 3 is equals to 14. Now we will substitute 6 power x is equals to m. Then 6 power x is replaced by m plus this 6 power x is replaced by m, then this is m square plus 6 power x is replaced by m, then this is m cube is equals to 14. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then in left hand side m cube plus m square plus m and minus 14 is equals to 0. M cube plus m square plus m minus, we can write this 14 as 8 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 0. In left hand side we have m cube plus m square plus m minus 8 minus 4 minus 2 is equals to 0. M cube, now we can write this minus 8 plus m square, then we can write here minus 4 plus m minus 2 is equals to 0. M cube minus 8 is 2 power 3 plus m square minus, and we can write this 4 as 2 square plus m minus 2 is equals to 0. Look carefully these two terms and these two terms. This is difference between two cubes and this is difference between two squares. And we know that difference between two cubes, which is a cube minus b cube, is equals to a minus b is multiplied by a square plus a times b plus b square. And difference between two squares is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b is multiplied by a plus b. Now m cube minus 2 cube, we can write m cube minus 2 cube as m minus 2 is multiplied by m square plus 2 times m plus 4 plus m square minus 2 square is m minus 2 times m plus 2 plus m minus 2 is equals to 0. Now look carefully left hand side. We have m minus 2 as common factor. So if we take common m minus 2, then you will get here m square plus 2 times m plus 4 plus m plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. M minus 2 is multiplied by m square plus 2 times m plus m is 3 times m plus 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 is equals to 0. And we know that if a times b is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Suppose this term is a and this term is b. And according to this rule, we can write m minus 2 is equals to 0 or m square plus 3 times m plus 7 is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 2. Now, here we have a quadratic equation, m square plus 3 times m square plus 3 times m plus 7 is equals to 0. Here, first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation, because here we will talk about only real solutions. Value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to 3 and value of c is equals to 7. And we know that discriminant of this quadratic equation d is equals to b square minus 4 times ac. Now value of b and value of b is here 3 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 7. Then 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 7 is 28. And 9 minus 28, which is equals to minus 19. Here discriminant of this quadratic equation is less than 0. So here we can say no real roots exist. So this case is rejected. Now our value of m is equals to 2. M is equals to 2. And we know that our substitution is m is equals to 6 power x. Now replace this m by 6 power x is equals to, in right hand side we have 2. Now if we take both side log, in left hand side we will apply log property. We know that log m power n, this is equals to n times log m. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side as x times log 6 is equals to log 2. Now divide both side log 2. Divide both side log 6. And right hand side is also divided by log 6. Then this left hand side and this left hand side is cancelled out. Then in left hand side you will get x only is equals to, in right hand side we will apply base log property. We know that log m over log n, this is equals to log m with base n. According to this rule, we can write this right hand side as log 6 with base 2. In this question we have value of x is equals to log 6 with base 2. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.